How to delete your website and account on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go here to the dashboard, click on your profile picture. Now it will take you to this page and click on account settings. Now after it take you to this page, all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll down until you find close your account here. Click on it and now click close account from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.